Morning, dear students. Today, my new topic is paragraph writing. We will have a look on paragraph writing. We will learn how to make paragraph in 10th board class. It is included just 4 and 5 marks on the basis of verbal and visual pattern. Paragraph writing develops the students' intellectual skill. Some points to write a paragraph. We have to look on some points which help to create a paragraph. Number 1, start the paragraph with introduction and end with conclusion. These two are not more than 2 sentences. It means पैराग्राफ की शुरुआत हमें उसके परिचय अर्थात किसी भी कोई भी स्लोगन मुहावरा इम्प्रेसिव सेंटेंस से करनी चाहिए और उसकी समाप्ति किसी भी निष्कर्ष चेतावनी सलाह सुझाव या निवेदन से करनी चाहिए. The outlines points must be touched at the writing of paragraph. Note: in the topic is on present experience, then it will be written in present simple tense, first form of the verb. We can use first form of the verb like as daily routine, trees, farmer, teacher, and hobbies at. If the topic is on past experience such as visits, accidents, reports at, then is written in past simple tense. Past simple tense, we have to use second form of the verb while writing the paragraph. No repeat any ideas frequently. At the writing of paragraph, it must be to the point. Don't avoid from main theme. Number 6 point. Have sequence in ideas while writing. It should not be out of words limit. Words limit का हमें ख्याल रखना है. वर्ड्स लिमिट से हमें बाहर नहीं जाना है. एग्जाम्पल: राइट ए पैराग्राफ ऑन ट्रीज. ट्रीज द ग्रीन गोल्ड ऑफ ए कंट्री in about 16 words. It is outlines which helps to make paragraph on the topic. So we should not go out of outlines. We should touch the outlines. Trees, green in color, precious as gold, called green gold of a country, raw material, wood, fruit, leaves, skin, raw fruits, seeds, timber, helpful. These are the outlines words. And now we are making paragraph. Trees are green in color. Trees are green in color and as precious as gold. That's why they are called green gold of a country. Trees provide raw material for our factories such as wood for paper industries, fruits for jam, jelly, pickle and juice. Fruits for jam, jelly, pickle and fruits juice. Industries, leaves, skin, raw fruits and seeds for farmers and chills. And timber for furniture Thus, trees are helpful for health and wealth. So, it is the paragraph which is made on the outlines. So, you have to make more practice to be perfect in it. I hope you will understand from the topic. See you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.